Hey, glad to see you again. Today I have an exercise for you to help improve your playing on the fretboard. We'll start with the index finger on the second fret of the A string and play the C major scale up to the high E string. From there, we'll immediately go back down again. Please be sure to check out the free PDF in the description first. It will show you exactly what to do.
The tempo for this exercise is a steady 50 BPM. Have fun with it. And that's it. Very well done. I'll see you in my next video, where you can improve your technique even more and take on new challenges.
Leave a comment if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. And don't forget, playing guitar is not a one-night stand. It's a never-ending love story. And yes, this video was also made by real people for real people.
Ciao, ciao.
See you next time.